Hello everyone. Today I want to present my project Katie. Katie is a Google Action Dialogflow chatbot that provides advices in finance and money saving. It combines with the Dialogflow in the front-end interface and also a back-end with custom response from Python Flask web framework. The installation of this chatbot is really easy. I do provide a zip file of the Dialogflow intent JSON files and also provide source code about for the Flask web framework. All you need to do is to make sure you have Python installed it and also have PyTorch installed it along with some really regular libraries. So in order to use the pre-trained encoder in my application, I have used Facebook's infant model, and since it's not a library yet, so you will need to manually download the code and also update it with your custom information. So I have done this all for you. I have cloned the original repo into my project and I have modified it with my custom training on the models. So you are good to use my version of the inference sand model from Facebook. So you can also build your own one if you like to. So after cloning my repo into the local machine, you will also need to download FastText Cloud Record data. So it's going to be a quite huge file. So please allow some time for it to download because it will have like 2 million word records trained with the information of Common Cloud. So that is the record data we are using. So in addition, I'm using the inference sentence encoder that is pre-trained by Facebook, and you will need to click this link to download the pickle file. It's too big to upload to the repo site here. So you will need to save this pickle file into the dataset folder of this project. And in addition, please make sure you have the T ready downloaded in NLTK. And after doing all this, you will be ready to go for the project. So you will also only need to do Python app.py to host your web framework here. And since we are doing a local hosting here, we do need a web tunneling toolkit to transfer the information to the outside world. So the one I use is NGROK, and it's free. It has a free version to use. So all you need to do is to download the software from this website and then open it with a HTTP link 5000, which is the local host of our web framework. So that's basically what you need to do to forward your application to communicate with Dialogflow. So the most important step is to set up Dialogflow, and it is very simple. All you need to do is get to the homepage of Dialogflow and then click create a new agent. Put a name here. Wait a minute also for Google to create an agent for you. So this Dialogflow is embedded in Google Assistant. So you have changed your agent, you can actually see a simulator from Google Assistant to test it out. So that's what I will show you later in this tutorial step. Okay, so after this agent is created, you will need to click this gear and then click and export and import and choose restore from zip. You will have the zip file as I included in the repo. And then type restore click it, and you have the chatbot ready. So one last thing to do is to make sure that you have the correct fulfillment URL. What that means is click on fulfillment, change this URL with the one provided by Angel Cave. Remember, you need to use a security one, not the regular one, and you are ready. Save. You can see how it works in Google Assistant now. It will take a while for Google to update the actions in their Google Assistant. So the basic idea of KT chatbot is to first ask my chatbot questions of groceries, shopping, or personal finance, and if he knows the answer, she knows the answer immediately, he will give you a response. If she's not sure about your question, it will point to my backend Flask API and ask the question to see if my logic from backend knows the answer. If yes, we will see a response from the API, and then we'll show the response in the simulator to you. So talk to my test app here. Okay, so now I can ask Katie some questions. Let me try with this one. Hi, Katie. Can I get some advices on grocery shopping? So Katie will try to answer you with really human-like answers. So, and in addition, we can ask basically a lot of different things for Katie. So I will try another one, maybe related to personal finance, and see if she knows. Hi, Katie. I actually have like 401k in my company. What can I take advantage of it? Oops, there is an issue with the 404 non-fund, so we will like to solve this issue first. The reason is here, remember, it is going to be a webhook link. So don't just copy out the URLs. You need to make sure you have the answers correctly here. And now we can see what it looks like in Google Assistant again. So that is one simple thing people may forget to add is that key endpoint. Okay, so again, go back to the simulator. Okay, so now we are in Katie again. Let's ask her another question then. Can I get some credit card tips? Yes, so basically, Katie tells you another fun fact about what we can take advantage of credit cards by going to the doctorofcredit.com. Yes, and let's ask some questions maybe Katie doesn't know. So I have a 401k account. What can I take advantage of it? So right now, since it's trying so low, great. So actually, we receive a different answer here that is not ideal. Is asking about HSA instead of 401k. It's because this answer is actually coming from my web application from Python, so which you can see there is a printout statement here. So it actually passes information into my backend and try to look for an answer based on the matching algorithm. So the Python app find out the closest answer will be the one related to HSA, and that he thinks the probability is actually a little bit higher than the threshold. That's why he respond with this answer. So that means we still need more training on the backend side to have a combination of different algorithms. So that will be my next step to make a smarter response from Python and more variety of questions supported in this KT app. So overall, I really like KT chatbot because I learned so much from my friend Katie, and she taught me so much about grocery tips and also personal finance advices. So I want to create this, and I actually create this chatbot for everyone that doesn't get really familiar with those informations. I really hope you will enjoy it. You should definitely try it out yourself and play around it because there are more answers and questions than I showed here. I guess you will have some fun with this app. Thank you so much.